Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for joining me again. And in today's video anyway, we are going to be building our step for our patio area. Now what we're going to do is start getting our measurements done, and then we're going to start cutting our timbers, etc., because this step is going to be made with sleepers with a sandstone top as well. So the main structure will be the sleepers on the outskirts, then we'll fill it, then we'll put the sandstone on top. Let's go. We're going to cut it from 200 in width to 100, so we only need half, so it ends up like this in size. As you can see, cut in half, because we only need it's only going to be the front of the sleeper showing, and then the rest is going to be built up of a more harder substrate. Right, okay, so we've cut this down, and as you can see, squared off nicely there. Then I'm just going to double check it and square it off in this corner here. I've cut a small section out here because the step was just too wide at the bottom, which I didn't want, so I just pushed it in a bit tighter. And then what we'll do is we'll pin these two together here, and then we'll put a bed of cement underneath, probably about 1 centimetre in height, and we can then set that on. Once it's set on, we can then bolt it to the wall, bolt it to the concrete section there, and then start filling it, ready for the top slab. So this is now perfectly set. What I've done is I've just taken a slight noggin out of this, just so the end of it is flush. You're not going to see any of this because the the slab is going to be directly on top. Obviously, if you were setting the slabs internally, you would have to keep it a lot neater, and in all honesty, I would recommend just not cutting the sleeper at all and using the full size. But as we are bedding it in, a lot of it is going to be hidden from the elements, but it's still a good size to keep it structurally sound for a good period of time. Right, so we filled it with broken down rubble. Now what we're going to do is we're actually going to use the post concrete mix to really start leveling it out and getting filled up now. So we're just going to make sure that it's nice and level, nothing protrudes, and then we will get our postcrete and just start filling it. can see this slab here is going to be going over the waste drainage system. Now what we're actually going to be doing is lifting up the waste drainage and turning it from a circular to a square waste system, which is going to be cut perfectly into this slab and set at a high level. Then we're going to be replacing this waste pipe which goes from our kitchen sink. This serves the washing machine dishwasher, and that is going to have a new pipe going straight into the main section, so these two are going to be connected together going straight down. We've got quite a bit of room to play with, so we don't have to get it exact in position. As long as we get the size of the manhole right here, then we should be pretty good to go. So now we've got all of our sections cut, we can now start cementing the bottom section in, finally. The manhole section just like that, so nice and tidy. I think that's the best method. Obviously I'm going to move that pipe so it goes straight down in, and then this pipe as well is going to be changed completely to go straight down into there. I think that's a nice look, so we'll go for that and we'll continue on, and hopefully it comes out all right. Main part today is I've now cut the timbers for the next step up. So what I'm going to be doing is bracing these together. I've got some L brackets. We're going to be using those to connect the timbers together at the back and then connect it to the wall. Once we've done that, then we can start filling it. Obviously before we connect it to the wall, we are going to put a bed of cement underneath to stabilize it and give it a bit of structure and make sure that it's nice and even all the way across. So what I'll do is I'll brace the two timber sections together, move that out of the way, put our bed of cement, and then we can put it together and then anchor it to the wall. Then we can fill it once the bed of cement is on there. So really happy with the way the first step has come out. Also a big addition as well is what we're doing on this step. As we're creeping higher towards the damp proof course, although it's just a step area, you're normally okay, but what I'm going to do is put a DPM sheet, so a damp proof membrane sheet, against the wall, which is going to lip underneath, so if we do get splashback, it's not going to drain into the wall, it will drain away. If you enjoy these videos or find them helpful, please go ahead and smash that like button and that subscribe button. It would help me out massively. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next one. Yeah, so far so good. Really happy with